Hello, this is the weekly weather briefing for October 1st, 2018 for the Arkansas region, brought to you by the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi. We're expecting a rather quiet week across our region, but it will be above normal in terms of warmth and humidity through the course of the whole week. Temperatures should average at least 5 to 10 degrees above normal across the region, and we could see some peak heat index values approaching 100 degrees at times and in spots around the region through the next 6 or 7 days. Chances of rain are not zero, but they will generally remain pretty low or very low. Highest chances of rain relatively will be confined to like along and south of Highway 84 and west of the Mississippi River. Any rain areas do get should be on the light side, and the potential for hazardous weather conditions through the week are very low. So by the middle of this week, the weather map across the country shows frontal systems kind of converging across the heart of the nation, with showers and thunderstorms confined near those fronts and southerly flow around high pressure, bringing us warmth and moisture. And as we go into early next week, what's somewhat remarkable about this is the way the situation is not really changing dramatically, with frontal systems sort of converging in the heart of the country and kind of having a tendency not to move much, with heavy rain and storms focused near those fronts and more southerly flow in our area, bringing us warmth and humidity. Over the next 7 days, the heavy rain should be focused near those stalled converging frontal systems across the heart of the country, while only spotty rainfall and very light amounts at best occur across the lower Mississippi Valley. So here's the weekly forecast for Jackson, Mississippi, and this forecast through the week won't really vary won't vary much depending on where you are in the forecast area. High temperatures around 90 every day, low temperatures around 70, with some generally low rain chances, and what's not shown in here is humidity, and it will be on the high side. Looking at the tropics, there's Tropical Storm Leslie way out there in the Atlantic, will not affect us. And there's no tropical systems that are set to affect anywhere in the vicinity of our region through the next 5 days. Typically, at this point in the tropical season, the Gulf kind of shuts down to most tropical activity, but this year I wouldn't entirely rule something out through the rest of the hurricane season, so we'll have to continue to watch things. Looking back at September, it was abnormally wet across a good chunk of the region, many areas averaging at least several inches above normal as far as precip goes. And temperatures were also above normal, especially up near Columbus and Starkville. The drought situation is all but alleviated across the region due to recent rainfall, which is good news. So that is the weekly weather briefing for the NWS Jackson forecast area. We look to do another one on Monday, maybe Thursday if some weather is expected, but probably not this Thursday.